Imagine walking into a store unassisted, just to get a few items, but you don't leave that store without your life being changed. Because immediately when you enter, you fall on a negligently maintained premises, breaking your hip, and you have to leave in a gurney. That's what happened to this client. I once represented an elderly lady who had slipped and fell and seriously injured herself on the premises of a very large, well-known retail giant. The case had been going on for about a year and a half before I was brought on, just because of all the tricks and the little ways that this big retailer was trying to get my client to settle for pennies on the dollar, when in fact she had been injured so bad that she required emergency surgery. She had went into the store that day to get ice cream and ended up being in a cast for months and receiving all types of remedial therapies and just trying to get her life back together for something that was no fault of her own. When I was brought on, the first thing that I did was to find out what exactly happened. Why did this occur? Throughout my investigation, I found out that this premises was just not kept well. I obtained video of the staff of the store repeatedly missing sweeping in the area and also sweeping off the rug in that area, which she eventually tripped on. One thing that I like my clients to know is that I'm a trial lawyer. So I don't set my cases to go to mediation. I don't set them to settle it over the phone. I make my cases where that I can take them to the courthouse. I can take your story and tell it to a jury of your peers, and they will understand that story and they'll give you the best offer. Now, every case may not be right for the jury, and some cases are better settled because whatever the facts may be. But every case that I get, I'm going to work it like it's going to trial. And just like the case where this elderly lady fell in the retailer's premises, because it was ready to go to trial, because I had subpoenas and motions and depositions already taken, getting it ready to go to trial, it allowed for this case to be settled before going to trial, saving the time and the stress and the extra expense. But that would not have happened if it was not ready for trial on the day that we settled. After being repeatedly lowballed and drug along for almost 2 years, I was able to secure a settlement well over 6 figures in her pocket that she was able to help her family with and pay her medical bills and to get some what of her life back after this horrendous fall. Being involved in personal injury litigation is confusing, it's frustrating, and it's long. But when you have an attorney like me by your side, I'm gonna be with you every step of the way. So if you've suffered a serious injury such as this one, and you're still trying to fight to get the compensation that you deserve, consider calling Forest Law and let us fight for you.